Is my Italian pasta and my matcha coffee and my dessert cinnamon. There is the French fries of my grandson. He loves the French fries. Yeah, all eating here.
It's not tayo.
Facing the view, so beautiful. I love here. There is my food. There is my matcha coffee, is the cold one. And there is the cinnamon, my dessert, another dessert. There is Gael busy eating. He loves his French fries. Wow! Nakalakam tumikitan niya dyan. AJ, may I see what you're eating? Wow, may I see what he is eating? Oh, well, this is the carbonara. Oh, I love the carbonara. And what is this, AJ? Your drink?
Strawberry latte.
Strawberry latte and the carbonara. And there is Noah.
Okay na sa ito, Noah?
Wow, stay so good. And there is the beautiful view. I love the view. While eating, we are viewing this beautiful view. It's like in Baguio. Because we are here at an elevated place. So this place is on the top of a hill. There we go. I want to get the other side. And here is the step going down from this elevated place. We climbed up here a while back. And there are the beautiful neighborhood. There's the gasoline station where we had our stopover for the gas, petroleum. There are people there passing by, the cars. And this is their neighborhood. I love this place. It's so beautiful. It's refreshing. It's windy here up here. It's really windy here, and it's nice while eating. It's so nice while eating. There is my face. I need to get my face. So nice. I love here. So beautiful. Now back to my food. I need to get back to my food. There is my food now. I'm eating now.
Very heavy na pasta.
That's why I wanted to get some of this.
Daddy, sumubawasan mo kasi mama. Ginagamit ko yun eh.
Where is that place? I cannot climb up my table. I cannot
Baka
climb.
sumubawasan ka. Hindi mo ako na.
There is so nice the view. While eating, we are viewing this place.
Base mo yan, AJ. Kunin mo isang meatball kasi hindi pwede yan walang pork na ano. Gusto mo ko rin ito isang meatball, AJ? AJ? Mother, you eat na.
I will eat now.
Mother.
I will eat now. See you again on the next video.
Kung nakakapagod ng spot, ang pakalaga ganun.
There is my food. So tasty.
Dirang-dirang namin yan.
And my matcha coffee. And my cinnamon. Back to the cinnamon. And there is the french fries of my grandson. He loves it. There he is. He is eating now. He is very happy. See you on the next video, guys.